In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize schoolwork in Clickup effectively and efficiently, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student looking to manage your assignments better or someone wanting to keep your study projects on track, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear framework to help you stay organized. To get started, the first thing you want to do is sign up at Clickup using your email address. Clickup is a powerful productivity platform, and creating an account is quick and simple. Once you've completed this step, you can begin creating your organizational system from scratch. Next, you'll create a new workspace. I recommend naming it something relevant like School or My Studies to keep everything school-related centralized in one manageable location. This will serve as the foundation of your Clickup setup, making it easier to organize all your schoolwork in one place. If you're using Clickup personally, there's no need to invite others to your workspace. Clickup is a collaborative tool, but when you're setting up for personal use, it's perfectly fine and even advised to keep this space just for yourself to avoid any distractions or confusion. Now that your workspace is ready, it's time to create your first spaces. Think of spaces as the major categories or subjects you're working on. For example, you could create a space for each subject like math or science. This level of organization will help segregate different areas of study or interest, making it easier to find and focus on what's important at any given time. Within each space, you can create folders. These folders can represent units, terms, or specific themes you're studying within a subject. Organizing your content in this way not only declutters your space, but also ensures you have a clear path through your coursework. Following folders, you'll want to set up lists. Think of lists as the place where you will keep your individual assignments or tasks. Each assignment can be an item on your list, and because ClickUp allows for detailed task descriptions, status updates, and deadlines, you can manage and track every aspect of your workload. Adding tasks is straightforward. For each assignment or portion of work, create a dedicated task. As you input this data, make use of ClickUp's features to set deadlines, add notes, and even attach files that might be related to the task. This method ensures you have all the information you need right at your fingertips when you're working. Finally, leverage the power of views in ClickUp to track your progress. Whether you prefer lists, boards, or even calendar views, ClickUp's multiple viewing options allow you to see projects and tasks in the way that makes most sense to you. It's a powerful way to visualize your workload, deadlines, and prioritize tasks. By following these steps, you will have transformed your approach to organizing schoolwork using ClickUp, making your study process more streamlined and effective.